Dear student, today we are going to start new topic, that is Jacobian. First we'll see the introduction part of Jacobian and then we'll see the definition of Jacobians. Jacobian is a functional determinant whose elements are functions. Jacobian is a powerful tool in transformation of Cartesian system to polar, spherical polar, and cylindrical coordinate system in multiple integrals. Jacobian can also be used to solve system of differential equation at an equilibrium point or approximate solution near an equilibrium point. The concept of Jacobian was introduced by the German mathematician Carl Gustav Jacob Jacobi. Jacobian determinant is simply called as a Jacobian. Now see the definition of Jacobian. So if u of x comma y and v of x comma y are continuous and differentiable function of two independent variable x and y, then the Jacobian of uv with respect to x and y is denoted by Jacobian of u comma v with respect to x comma y, or del of u comma v by del of x comma y. The Jacobian of del of u comma v by del of x comma y is given by del of u comma v upon del of x comma y is equal to determinant of, in first row we'll write del u by del x, del u by del y. In second row, del v by del x, del v by del y. After solving the determinant, you will get the Jacobian. Or we can write this Jacobian as determinant of this del u by del x, we can write u suffix x. Del u by del y, we can write u suffix y. Similarly, in second row, del v by del x, we can write v suffix x. Del v by del y, we can write vy. So these are the notation for del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del y respectively. Now here u and v are two functions which depends on x and y. If we have three functions which are depends on three independent variables, then we have Jacobian. Suppose u of x comma y comma z, v of x comma y comma z, and w of x comma y comma z are continuous functions and differentiable of three independent variables x, y, z. Then Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z is given by del of u, v, w by del of x comma y comma z is equal to determinant of First write down del u by del x in first row, del u by del y, del u by del z. So you will get here del u by del x, del u by del y, del u by del z. In second row, differentiate v with respect to x, y, z respectively. So you will get del v by del x, del v by del y, del v by del z. In third row, differentiate partially w with respect to x, y, z. You will get del w by del x, del w by del y, del w by del z. So this is a Jacobian of order 3 by 3 when we have three functions which are depends on three independent variables. Next, we will see some properties of Jacobian. First property is if u and v are functions of x and y, and Jacobian of u comma v by del of x comma y, and let's call this as a Jacobian j, and j dash is equal to del of x comma y by del of u comma v, then j into j dash is always 1. J into j dash is equal to 1. That means del of u comma v by del of x comma y into del of x comma y upon del of u comma v is equal to 1. So please remember student, j dot j dash is equal to 1 always. Second property, if u is equal to f1 of x comma y, v equal to f2 of x comma y, and x is a function of r and theta, this y is also function in r and theta, then Jacobian of, that is del of u comma v upon del of r comma theta is equal to del of u comma v upon del of x comma y into del of x comma y upon del of r comma theta. It is called chain rule of Jacobian. This chain rule of Jacobian is true for functions of 3 and more variables. Now you can see here u v depends on x and y, and this x and y depends on r and theta. That's why it is called as a chain rule. So del of u comma v by del of r comma theta is equal to del of u comma